Hey everyone, ever wondered how to make your videos stand out with a stunning background? Whether it's making a giraffe walk on the sky or swim in the ocean, today's video is for you. I'll show you how to add or remove video backgrounds using CapCut in just a few simple steps. So, let's dive in. I've already selected the videos for this tutorial. One of them has a green screen, which will make background removal more accurate. First, drag and drop both videos onto the timeline. Make sure the green screen video is on top. Next, select the green screen video and click on Chroma Key. Use the color picker to select the green color from the screen. Now, adjust the intensity. I usually set it around 50 or 60, and don't forget to tweak the shadow settings. Now, look at that, the giraffe is walking on the sky. If you need to adjust the position, just select the video layer and drag it where you want it on the main screen. Let's try a different background. Now the giraffe is walking on water. Let's make it even cooler by adding some trees in the background. Just repeat the same process, and that's it. You've successfully changed the background in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips.